Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question, 10. Time, 6 seconds each question. Good luck. Are you ready? Let's start. Question 1. Which is the largest continent in the world? Africa, Asia, Europe, North America. Asia. Question 2. What is the capital city of France? Rome, Madrid, Paris, Berlin. Paris. Question 3. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? South Korea, Japan, China, Thailand. Correct answer, Japan. Question 4. Mount Everest is located in which mountain range? Alps, Andes, Himalayas, Rockies. Correct answer, Himalayas. Question 5. Which is the longest river in the world? Amazon, Nile, Yangtze, Mississippi. Correct answer, Nile. Question 6. Which planet is known as the red planet? Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Mercury. Correct answer, Mars. Question 7. Which country has the largest population in the world? India, China, United States, Indonesia. Correct answer, India. Question 8. The Great Wall is located in which country? Mongolia, China, Japan, India. Correct answer, China. Question 9. What is the capital of Australia? Sydney, Melbourne, Canberra, Brisbane. Correct answer, Canberra. Question 10. Which ocean is the largest in the world? Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Correct answer, Pacific Ocean.